Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the G-Fiber Wi-Fi 6E router quickly and easily in just a few minutes. So first of all, you just have to place your G-Fiber Wi-Fi 6E router near the modem or the fiber connection point. Now you just have to connect the Ethernet cable from the modem or the ONT box to the router's WAN or the internet port. So the WAN or the internet port is going to look something like this. So you need to simply plug in the power adapter afterwards and then simply turn the router on. Now wait until the router light becomes stable. During startup, the light may blink for a few minutes while the router initializes. Afterwards, you just have to simply check the label on the router for the default Wi-Fi name, network, and the password. So on your phone, laptop, or a tablet, you just have to simply open the Wi-Fi settings. For example, let's say I've opened the Wi-Fi setting in my PC. So when you are inside the Wi-Fi settings, you are going to see all of the available Wi-Fi networks. So you just have to simply open the Wi-Fi settings and connect using these details. The newer devices that support 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi SE can automatically access faster wireless speed and the lower interference. After doing so, you just have to simply open the recommended G-Fiber setup application, and then you need to enter the router management address in your web browsers. Afterwards, you just have to follow further on-screen setup instructions in order to create your personal Wi-Fi name and the password. And during the setup, the router may automatically check for the firmware updates as well and optimize the connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.